This video will show you how to update the firmware on the DigiBall. So the first thing you'll need is the NRF Connect app. It's a tool that's available on Android and iPhone. And second, you'll need the zip file that contains the new firmware that you want to upload to the DigiBall. That'll be provided for you. So first, open the app. You'll see a list of all Bluetooth devices in your area. So let's limit this just to the DigiBall. So click on Filter, click on Name, and just type the letter D, and then minimize the filter. Now you'll see everything that begins with the letter D. So make sure that your DigiBall is active. You can do that by rotating it in your hand just to turn it on. And you should see some activity as it advertises. So let me switch to camera mode. See what I'm doing. Okay, and then take your DigiBall. It doesn't have to be on the charger. Hold it in your hand, still for a few seconds, and then rotate back and forth, trying to keep the black dot horizontal. And do this a few times, and then you can put it back down. Okay, so close the camera. What this will do is it'll activate the Connect mode. So if you swipe down and refresh in the NRF Connect tool, now you'll see a Connect button in the DigiBall icon. So click on the Connect, move over to the second tab, which is the tab that has the 3 horizontal lines, and then you'll see attributes table. So on the very bottom right, click the up arrow, and you're going to type DF, and you're going to write that to the ball. That's going to put it in firmware update mode. You should lose your connection. Swipe down or wait, and you should see a new device called DFU Targ. Connect to that one by pressing the Connect button. Now you're going to move back over to the last tab, which is a tab with 2 circling arrows. Okay. Click on the Open Document Picker button, and then navigate to where on your phone or your iCloud that you saved the DFU pack for the firmware. It's a zip file. So in this case, I'm going to use DFU pack 241101 build 60. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to press start. And it only takes a few seconds, but it downloads the new firmware to the ball. Okay, you should lose your connection again. So what we'll do is we'll minimize, go back to the main screen, swipe down, and you should see DigiBall back to normal with normal activity. Okay, so let's escape this, and then we can go to the DigiBall app next. And if we go over to the Bluetooth tab and connect to the ball, which I already am, under build number, we should see 60, and that matches the build number of the firmware that I updated. And that's it.